reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies.
Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me, that could my seat. IP, ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off, I get off at my feet.
Where we at right now, Demar?
Shoot.
We about to shoot nigga. Where we at, Jay?
Do not say that.
You know what we had to do, bro. We in Texas, you know what I'm saying? We sign out waivers and shit. Because, you know, we can't trust this nigga. You can't trust Jay at all, bro. He got 4 guns at the crib right now for no reason. He live in a gated community. What he need that shit for?
You know, we have to come correct, twin.
What we come here to correct to do? We came to shoot shit, nigga. Can't say that too loud, they gonna throw us. What'd you say about that one?
This definitely one that Trump got shot with. Got him, bro. Got him. He was posted up, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm pulling up.
You can't.
We got Glocks too, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm ready to blow some of shit away.
I won't.
You gotta see.
What guns y'all shooting? We shooting a shotgun, AR, pistol.
I don't know, it's up to Svmba, but I definitely want to shoot. I definitely want to shoot that fucking Drake. I don't lie.
Same, bro. That's what I used to rip back in the day, you know what I'm saying, when I was in the field, bro. You know what I'm talking about?
Talking about Warzone.
What y'all know about Resurgence Island, baby?
Running around with a car and an MP5, man.
I've never held a gun before in my life.
What you trying to shoot?
I'm trying to shoot? I'm trying to shoot these options.
No, nigga, the gun, bro. If I had to choose for you, I would say you should come 48 or 19.
I might be the 48. I'm not gonna lie.
Baby sniper.
That's bad. I had back in the field, man.
You see it. Filiano, AK-47.
Oh, you're not getting a whole lot.
Yes, I am, bro.
You're paying for it, though.
Nigga, yeah. No,
saying.
God is paying for it. Damn, bro.
So, for now, you 3, I got you guys down.
Imagine living out here, bro. Coming out here, grabbing a little FN,
I'll be out here too often.
a little fin.
I don't know, the nearest range I think is kind of deep for me back in Massachusetts, but I might be able to come down here every now and again.
Man, you know what I do, man. They call me Dolphin.
Because you a fella, you're not supposed to be out here, bro. This nigga lied on the
Nigga
way.
on dick, bro. He mad because I beat the case.
Damn, look at that one.
This is probably the knocker, though.
That's the shit that nigga K-Flock had. No disrespect to him.
They got Berettas, nigga. Look at that Beretta. They got Springfields. This is the one. If you know, you know. Oh, sure. See, though, this is where you get into the real Texas, like authenticity.
I got 6 over here.
Look at man 6.
Mm-hmm. That bird is fire.
Beretta.
What the hell? So which one of these can I use against these uppity neighbors right now?
Man, you need that.
No cap, bro. That'll scare them niggas loose.
Damn. What?
A shotgun with a bayonet is insane.
Man.
That's what that nigga K-Flock had. Again, no disrespect to him, but 4 or 5
It's the second
feet.
time you mentioned him, bro.
Did you see what he did to that?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the type of shit I need. Imagine breaking into some nigga house. This is at the top of the stairs, bro.
There's more on this wall right here, too. 40% off. Damn, they having deals.
Oh, no, this is for the broke niggas, bro. We off this.
Look at these bots. That's what you call bots right here. Reload, though?
Look at your...
Let me reload, like...
Look at nigga Jay. I don't trust Jay at all. My whole God damn shit. He was trying to make this nigga handicapped. Is that what?
$20. This shit's heavy, bro. It's a 17 or a 19?
Glock 17. Nigga. It's not fair laughing at me, bro.
It's not like it's easier. You sit it down like this.
Oh, see, why didn't you say that?
Funny watching them struggle.
You just
Look, you
watching
still
me.
struggling, gang.
What? Nigga, I don't do this shit, bro. See, I appreciate you, Trent. Nigga just watching me fish.
You want me to rip the trigger or not?
See, I got it now, nigga.
Don't wait. Don't shoot it with me in here,
I'm
nigga.
not, nigga. I haven't loaded it yet.
Simba, you want me to show you, gang?
You showing me, nigga. shot was tough. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. It's addictive.
It's better than sex.
I don't even know if I hit that nigga. Did I hit that nigga for real?
For your first time?
Nigga, I'm not gonna lie. The first one I shot was right here. I know that. My fault. Yeah. Back up.
Yeah, this shit's heavy though.
You good, bro? Oh.
Carry it.
What?
Carry it. Feel it.
Heavy?
Feel it.
It's heavy?
That's heavy as dog.
Huh?
That mic is gonna be busted.
Oh, no, it's gonna be.
Damn. Boy, this shit is heavy, boy.
Anyway. No, I see what you mean now with the suppressor. It's no joke.
It helps.
It helps.
Remember what Svmba showed, man? You see what I was 6762.
Oh my god.
Jay, I missed. You missed?
You gonna see if you can hit the middle of everything.
Yeah,
4, 2,
yeah,
1,
yeah.
6, 5, and 3.
Type shit.
Gun down. And then I'll come up.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna see if I can hit same thing middle. You wanna hit the middle of every single
Alright,
one.
Nigga, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I didn't think it was that easy to pull the trigger on the Glock. It's easy as f.
I'd rather shoot that Glock because I don't like that.
Which one did y'all get?
We could trade, right?
Or you could just step into our lane and see.
Like if y'all want to take a couple shots at our shit, we take a couple.
If y'all don't got the AR, I don't want to shoot it.
They have it.
I want to try that.
They don't got no more bullets.
I only got 2 boxes.
Oh, okay.
So there's no more?
I think we have. Hold on.
This nigga being stingy now.
That's not stingy, nigga.
That's
I paid the
stingy as
most
shit.
bread.
Shout out Svmba. Shout out Svmba. We going crazy this
Back
year.
up. Live fire, nigga. God damn.
It got kicked. It got kicked. Hold it forward.
Like that?
Yep.
Damn, I see what you're talking about.
Woo! Yeah.
One nigga looks like an Arab with an AK. Look too natural holding that bitch. I ain't gonna lie to you.
We all gonna aim for a
Lakiana.
pick 6. What you want?
He changing his stance up and shit.
God damn, boy. What's up?
15, right?
Yeah.
Oh, your boy. He's like a pro now. Watch this. You know what I'm saying? Like a pro now. You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, you just took one out.
You know what I tried to do? I tried to slide it back like in the movies and shit to check if it was in there. That shit flew.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Damn, nigga, hit a target.
Nope.
You're supposed to shoot the numbers.
My guess, nigga, you understand? This is my first time here. I'm taking that. What the fuck? I'm taking that. That's not bad. This nigga dangerous. Why we let the hood nigga shoot like that, bro?
Man, I heard shots. I was sending them back.
That's addictive, bro.
That shotgun would have been crazy.
No cap.
Oh, you said y'all can keep that if y'all want it. I don't know.
Oh yeah, bring it on the plane. Smart.
I'm taking this one home. This one lit. This all me. DeMar, shoot him in the hands.
I try to shoot him in his dick right
You
here.
can't shoot him in the hands and just try to put him on disability.